face mask detection using TensorFlow and OpenCV. So in this project, we are going to construct a CNN model to detect if a person is wearing a face mask or not. So the face mask detection system built with OpenCV and TensorFlow using deep learning and computer vision concepts can really help to detect face masks in the static images as well as in the videos. So in the present scenario, due to COVID-19, there is no efficient face mask detection applications which are now in high demand for transportation means, densely populated areas, residential districts and other enterprises to ensure safety. So if this project deploys correctly, the COVID-19 mask detector we are building today could potentially be used to help ensure your safety and the safety of others. So the model that we will build in this project can be used in crowded areas like malls, bus stands and other public places. Now let me present the project overview. So in order to build and train our convolutional neural network model, we'll be using Google Colab since it offers free GPU, and training your model on Colab it becomes much faster. So Colab is a Jupyter-like notebook which is very efficient, and then we'll import some necessary libraries that is required for our project. Then next we will download the dataset directly from the Kaggle on the Colab environment. So if you learn to directly download the datasets from the Kaggle to the Colab, then it becomes really helpful for your future projects as well, where you don't need to worry about cloning dataset from the GitHub repository or mounting dataset from the Google Drive. Then next we will perform some image visualization to see how our dataset exactly looks like. And then next we will perform some image augmentation to increase the size of the training set with some zooming, rotation and the horizontal flip features of the images. Then next we will build our deep convolutional neural network model from the very scratch. So to classify the images into their respective categories, that is the mask and the non-mask. So we'll build a CNN model because CNN it is meant best for the image classification purpose. And after building the model, we'll then compile and train our model, and then we'll evaluate the performance of the model, and we will plot two different graphs for training and validation loss and for the training and the validation accuracy to see how our model performed during the training phase. And next we will test our model and test data. And at the end, we will save our model, and we will also make use of our trained model to make predictions on a new set of data that we will upload from our local machine. So here we will use our CNN model to classify whether the image that we chose has a person with face mask or not. And lastly, we will use our trained model to detect face masks on the video streams as well. But before that, let me show you the end result that we are going to create. So this is basically what we are going to create. We'll build a simple CNN model to detect people with face masks on the video. So we are going to create something like this.